Hi guys, I've already tested Samsung 40T, a high-drain lithium-ion cell of 21700 size rated at 3000 mAh, which supports discharge current up to 45 amps. This time I've tested 40T, another high-drain cell of the same 21700 size from Samsung. It supports the same 35 amp discharge rate but is rated at 4000 mAh. Before passing to the results of capacity tests, let's take a look at my testing conditions and equipment. All the tests were done using a special battery tester, the ZK E-Tech EBC-A20, which supports 4-wire measurement, discharge current up to 20 amps, and it can be connected to a PC for building graphs. I've upgraded my battery holder to the version 3.0. I have made contact pads from 0.5mm pure copper sheet. The positive terminal is 9mm wide and the width of negative terminal is 11.5mm. The pads are designed to provide good connection even with batteries which have deep placed positive or negative contacts. I followed all the prescriptions of the IEC 61960 standard concerning battery's capacity measurement. The air temperature was 20-25 centigrades, and before each discharging cycle a battery was charged at its standard charging current mentioned in its datasheet, and after that it was left for 1 hour minimum. After discharging cycle, it also was left for 1 hour minimum. I've bought these batteries from Queen Battery, which is my reliable supplier of genuine batteries. They offer individual approach to each customer and special discounts depending on the quantity you buy. I will leave a link to their website and their email under this video. The cell which I've tested has the following marking: INR21700-40T, Samsung SDI 2i15. According to its datasheet, it has the following specs: capacity 4000 mAh, nominal voltage 3.6 volts, standard charge current 2 amps at 200 mA cutoff, fast charge current 6 amps at 100 mA cutoff, charge end voltage 4.2 volts, maximum continuous discharge current 45 amps, discharge cutoff voltage 2.5 volts, AC impedance 12 milliohms, maximum weight 70 grams. The measured weight of my cell was 66.57 grams. At 0.2C or 0.80 amps, Samsung 40T gave out 4087 mAh or 14.86 Wh. At 5 amp discharge, the result was 3928 mAh or 14.92 Wh. At 10 amps, 4872 mAh or 14.48 Wh. At 15 amp discharge rate, the result was 4843 mAh or 14.08 Wh. At 20 amp discharge rate, it gave out 4842 mAh or 12.84 Wh. At the end of the day, Samsung 40T appears to be a very good high-drain cell with excellent performance. Even at 20 amp discharge, it remains above 4800 mAh and the curves are without any sudden sags. That's all for today. Like this video if you find it useful, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell next to the subscribe button to not miss the future videos, and stay tuned. Bye bye!